Hi everyone. Today myself Sunil Kumar Jaswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to use Extrude command in AutoCAD 3D. Capricorn Technology, a Winjuro company and a partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with we have authorized training center. We have 300 plus inspired team member. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customer in AEC and associated industry. Today agenda. Today I would like to teach Extrude command in AutoCAD. So what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is create a 3D solid from an object that encloses an area or a 3D surface from an object with open end. Object can be extruded orthogonally from the plane of the source object in a specified direction or along a selected path. You can also specify a taper angle. So let's move in AutoCAD screen and we will see how to use extrude command in AutoCAD. As we can see that this is my AutoCAD screen and there are some profile I have created. So first of all, we have use how to use extrude command. So firstly, I want to say extrude command. What is extrude command? Extrude command is used for adding material in z direction, and we will create a 2D profile in just XY plane. So extrude command is the most important command in AutoCAD 3D. Without extrude command, we can't do 3D design. So here in 3D modeling, extrude command is this. First of all, we have to select extrude command, then select object, enter, and extrude specify height of extrusion. And there are four options: direction, part, taper angle, and expression. Expression and height of extrusion is same. So suppose we type 100, then this 2D profile look like this. This total distance is 100 and this thickness in z direction. Suppose we want to use second option in extrude command. So again, select extrude command, select object, enter, and path. So choose path option and then select path. So adding material look like this. And again, we have selected extrude command and use direction. So choose direction option and start point and end point. Then adding material is look like this. It's add material, follow the path which we have to select. And next option, extrude command, select object, enter, and here taper angle. If choose taper angle, and we have to give a specify angle of taper. So suppose we have type 30°, then enter, then height. So height is 500. Then this 3D object is look like this. This angle is 30° taper. So uh, uh, this is all about extrude command. And for for more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment. If you like the Tech Tuesday video, we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.